Hi everyone, I'm Suman Agarwal. I'm the co-founder and director of Image Consulting Business Institute, and I'm in conversation with Shashi Jain from Kolkata. Hi Shashi, and if you could tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hello, Suman, and a very warm welcome to everyone. Uh, I come from a simple Jain Marwari family, and our parents they brought up with a lot of values and ethics. Uh, we are five sisters, no brother. I was a very bright student, awarded all rounder in school, and then there was a phase of life which was really low. After getting married, there were some personal challenges because of which in 2014, I had to take a tough decision. And 2016, I joined ICBI and I think uh, I've never looked back.
Wonderful. So what really inspired you to join ICBI for image consulting and soft skills training?
Honestly speaking, it was a need. As I said, I was at crossroads where I had to take a very tough decision, where I had to sustain myself and be financially independent, to live with dignity. So when I introspected, I realized I had very good communication skills. I had very high emotional intelligence. So I thought if I do something to hone these skills and make it a profession, then it will be really helpful. So I joined ICBI. I took up that courage, and at the age of 42, I embarked upon this journey
Love.
of being an image consultant and soft skill trainer. Yes,
So any fears while you were embarking upon this journey?
yes, lot of apprehensions because I was a homemaker almost for 15 years. Never spoken to a man other than my husband's friends. No network, no database, and the fear of failure. Nahi chala to, and I had to earn my living. So it was everything at stake. And you need funds to create something, to have an office also. I had zero balance in my bank, so started from scratch. But I think that never give up attitude and hope is what has kept me consistent, and I'm here today.
Wonderful. So how has this journey transformed you as an individual?
So whenever people ask me that how have you transformed others' life, I always say that first I have worked on myself. Because being from a Marwadi family, the kind of I used to wear salwar kameez, and when I used to go for classes, and Upasna ma'am used to say ki ye pehen ke aao, this is the element of dressing that you have to work on, line, shape, color, texture, pattern. I didn't have clothes to go and represent that. Yes, this is what my clothes are talking like. Appearance speaks, and people listen with their eyes. That's what we always say. So I was a complete homemaker, no exposure. And then I worked on myself first. I refined myself. I improved upon my communication skills, my public speaking skills, my confidence, my self worth. In short, I would say I created an identity of myself. I didn't know myself. I discovered myself. I found the purpose of my life. And I think today I am really happy with what I'm doing. I'm helping individuals transform their lives. So the journey starts from myself, from within. So yes.
Absolutely. And how have you been, in fact, what do you plan to do with this qualification now that you're already certified, and already working? What is it that you want to do in life going ahead?
Okay, so when I started this, the only thing was to earn my living. But now I think I've found the purpose. I want to empower as many individuals as possible and transform them into leaders. I want to help people come out of negativity because I have been there myself, been there, done that. I have experienced all of that. So when I help others come out of that negativity and help them grow in their personal and professional lives, it's a healing for myself. So I want to continue this journey. I would also share that I was the convener for soft skills and grooming in Kolkata. Then I became the chief secretary of Jito Ladies Wing Kolkata, where most of my programs focused on women empowerment, on upskilling, on upgrading oneself, because training is my passion. And now I am the national convener. I am at the Apex, the Center for Excellence Apex body. Here we have 100 chapters in India. and 33 international chapters. So all the soft skill and grooming programs that are happening, they come under me. So now I think my purpose is to help and give back to the community, because अपने लिए तो सभी जीते हैं. So now that I'll be 50 this year, I want to devote the rest of my life to empowering people, to helping people, to help them grow in all aspects of life, and open an NGO. Actually, if I can, create enough funds, I want to have my NGO of mine, where I can give free service and voluntary service to women and children specifically, and change lives. That's the
Amazing.
ultimate goal and purpose.
So, one message that you would like to share with those who are standing where you were standing at one point of time, what would that be?
So first and foremost, I would say that financial independence is paramount. Whether you earn or not, you should know, you should be aware about your financial situation, and you should be able to take decisions if required. Because life may take a turn and may throw you at crossroads. You should be able to live with dignity. So be financially independent. Another message would be that go all out. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to to get failures in life, because it's a roller coaster ride. Ups and downs will come. ECG, if it is straight, then we are dead. So there'll be ups and downs, but go all out, fulfill your dreams, and be fearless, because when you're fearless, you're limitless.
True.
So write your own story, create your own story. No one else will. So I'm very fond of a very powerful quote by Emma Stone, that there's no better representation of beauty than someone who's unafraid to be herself. So just plunge in. Age is no bar. When a homemaker like me could, overcome all the struggles and come here. And just to share, I'm a TEDx speaker also now. I've been invited
Lovely.
by AWA, Army Wise Welfare Association, by Eastern Command Army, and I shared my journey as a motivational talk. So I think it's a matter of privilege. So I have received many awards. I've been awarded Exceptional Women of Excellence, the Change Maker, Durga Samman Award, and many others. My story has been featured in two books, Magical 40 at 40 and Leaps and Bounds. So when I could do it, anyone can do it. It's only persistence, hard work, consistency, and passion that you need.
Lovely.
So
Amazing. And
just
that
go
has
all
been
out
so
and
inspiring.
thank you, thank
Extremely
you. And
inspiring.
I would say that I'm indebted to ICBI and Suman ma'am, you and Rakesh sir, because I don't think I would have found myself if I did not find ICBI. So it's a turning point in my life, and my whole life I'll be indebted to ICBI, because I
Thank you.
found myself, and that's
Thank you.
that's the journey that I have lived with. Oh, I'm getting emotional also. So I remember when on my last class, Upasna ma'am used to say कि soft skills तो सही है, आपको अपने ना image पे काम करना पड़ेगा. So today, when people see me and say that, we are seeing a big transformation in you, and from a homemaker, you have become a TEDx speaker. So that's the journey I have seen, and I've learned a lot. Thank you so much. And today is also a privilege that you are asking me questions and I'm answering them. It's a privilege,
Thank you.
truly.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
this was like so many words which were like full of flowers, full of, I would say, I'm actually feeling a little overwhelmed now with all the compliments that have come from your side. So I just would like to say that you've come a long way, and I really, really wish you all the very best for your success. And I feel that you're already there. It's just that you have to keep going and keep shining. So thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best, and keep rocking.
Thank you. Thank you. You all have been a big support, and just keep supporting me. I need ICBI.
Of course, of course.
Thank you. Thank you.